Hi, I'm Snigdha. Currently, I'm working with the New as a digital marketing executive. Initially, I was doing modeling and acting as a freelance, but during the time of pandemic, I felt really stuck. And to be very honest, I had no idea what to do. And around that time, I started exploring and I came across many career options. One caught my eye, that was digital marketing, more so because during the time of pandemic, it got so hyped up. And also because my friends were already indulged in this, and so I started looking for it, like different academies, and during that time I came across Kaiser Academy. I'm really happy that I came across Kaiser Academy because during the time of my exploring I came across many courses that were offering digital marketing, but they were mostly around 3 to 6 months and there was no surety for the placement. But with Kaiser Academy, I got placed around 40 to 45 days. This is all possible because of their way of teaching. They don't only teach you like theoretically, but also practically. Right from prepping for mock tests to creating a campaign, to executing a campaign, to optimizing a campaign, different campaigns for different platforms. They have taught you everything here. There's nothing your job is going to ask you for that has not been taught here already. So any one of you who's looking for a career change and a boost in their career, then Kaiser Academy is the place for you.